Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to find and save your go-to virtual card in just few simple steps. If your account newly created, and make sure to save your card details as soon as possible because the virtual card may no longer be visible after 7 days. So let's get to start. First click here to setting, then manage your card, click here debit card and click show enable and create a new PIN 4 digit 2525, then confirm 2525, click submit. It's loading. The PIN successfully changed. No thanks. It's loading again. Click show again. See the card number. Must you need to save card number within 7 days. So I will save here and also save the account and routing number. Click routing and account number here, copy routing number and copy account number. If you create your account and not save your card details, then after 7 days you not get the card, it's gone to hide. So if you like this video, then don't forget to share, subscribe my channel.